Hey, Drew here. Just wanted to tell y'all what I'm doing for this weekend. It's totally booked. Pretty excited about everything I'm doing. Saturday, my brother's got a baseball game that I'm going to. It's about 1 or 2 p.m. in the afternoon, so that's good. Obviously, I'd really hope they're not playing at 1 or 2 o'clock in the morning. But cross my fingers, hoping we win this one. We're undefeated so far. It's only 2 games in, but still crossing my fingers for it. After the ball game, going to a birthday party. My godparent's son is turning 13, so we're gonna go and celebrate his birthday. Then after that, my dad and I are gonna go off to the races and, you know, get down, get dirty, and go all redneck on everybody. And then Sunday, as far as I know, I think I'm just gonna lay back and stay at home. My parents are going out. I just saw my dog eat a bug. She like jumped up in the air. That was pretty funny. But Sunday, as far as I know, I'm just gonna stay home and chill out with the brother, because my mom and dad are going to a baseball, or I think it's a Tennessee football game. So get to chill at home, and I guess that's about it. Pretty excited though. Yep. So if I happen to post this one on Facebook and you're my friend, make sure to comment on it. Tell me what you're doing, or even better, you can follow me on YouTube and then subscribe to all my videos, and then every time you go on YouTube when you're logged in, you can know everything I'm doing, or listen to me talk about my bus driver. Alright, well,